Pedas banget.
Hi guys, how's it going? Hari ini saya mau bikin spicy chicken wings lagi, tapi kali ini pakai 50 cabai untuk Cabe Rawit challenge. Keep watching. Ini sudah selesai dan saya mau cobain. Saya bikin ini dengan 50 cabai. Saya tidak biasain makan banyak cabai, tapi saya mau coba. Mungkin saya makan 10. Oh no, 8 di sini. Mungkin saya bisa makan 8 chicken wings. Saya nggak tahu. Untuk challenge ini saya ada minuman susu. Alright. So maybe this can help me. So look, you can see ada wijen, cabai juga. Saya mau cobain. Oke, ini pedas banget. Coba makan lagi. Lagi. Oke, dua. Saya makan dua. Okay, sweet spot. Sweet spicy.
Bruh.
Susu. Okay, it's better. Mau cobain? Jadi rasanya enak banget. Saya suka rasanya, tapi banyak cabai dan pedas banget. Sedikit asin juga karena ada saus tiram. Dan manis juga. Nampak. Menurut saya, makan secepatnya. Tiga lagi. Oh. Oh man, it's so spicy. Oh, pedas banget. Okay.
Okay, come on, you can do it, come on. All right.
Last one. Oh god. Sudah. Yeah, I can't speak, I'm sorry. Having a bit over, yeah. I can't speak. Okay guys, terima kasih banyak nonton video saya makan banyak chicken wings pakai 50 cabe rawit. It was 7 chicken wings, made a mistake earlier, said 8. I might have left a bit of sambal. Listen, that's the spiciest thing I've ever eaten by so far, it's unreal. That's too hot for me, but look, I gave it a go. I ate all the chicken wings and I gave it my best shot. Thanks ever so much for watching the video. If you'd like me to cook anything, please comment below. Any advice about cooking as well. If you'd like me to go to a specific pasar to buy some more food, another challenge, or maybe another Pedas challenge, maybe another Cabe Rawit challenge. To be honest, please give me a few months. I don't want to do one of these again. But thank you ever so much for watching the video. I'll see you next time. My word of advice, susu. Susu is good. Good for susu, good for challenge, right? See you later guys. Bye bye.